guys, and welcome back. Today I have a completely new box for you guys. I have the Trendmood box. This is the volume 4 box. So I've actually missed out on 4 other boxes. They had 3 different volumes and 1 takeover box. Completely missed out on those. Every time I was just like a couple minutes too late and they were always sold out and I was just like, oh! So I finally got my hands on one of the boxes and it is the volume 4. So I'm pretty pumped. I've been trying to get it for so long. Oh gosh. And just in case you don't know who Trendmood is, they are a giant makeup account on Instagram that posts daily about all the new makeup launches that are coming up and about to launch. I mean, that's how I actually keep track of a lot of the things that are about to launch, you know, new boxes, mystery boxes, foundations, eyeshadows, I mean, everything related to makeup is posted on that account with updates. So I personally follow them. It's a great account if you are a makeup addict. But I was very excited when I saw she was going to be launching her very own box because I knew it was going to be kind of different than the other subscription boxes, which it totally is. It is not like Ipsy or BoxyCharm where they send out every single month on the dot. It is kind of random when she has her boxes. So she's had 5 now and they have all been a little bit here, a little bit there. There's sometimes 2 in a month and, you know, a little bit of time in between. It's never guaranteed the value. It's never guaranteed what price the box is gonna be or how many items come inside of it or what items come inside of it. It's all just a little bit random, which is honestly really fun. It's so different. And it is also not on a subscription basis, so you could pick and choose your boxes. Of course, I do hope that she starts to carry some more stock because it has been very difficult, as you guys can tell, getting a box. This is the first one I've gotten out of all of them. So fingers crossed, Sophie stocks more boxes. That's her name, by the way, the woman who runs Trendmood. But yeah, that is just some fun facts about this new Trendmood box, since this is gonna be the first one for my channel. So this one in particular, the volume 4, launched for $58. There are supposed to be 9 products inside of here, and I was actually really impressed by the shipping. So it launched last week on Friday, and I actually got a shipping confirmation that day that it had been sent out. So I ordered it around like 10 a.m. when it launched. Got a confirmation about 5 o'clock at night that it was shipping out, and I was like, whoa! I mean, with everything going on in the world, that was really speedy to be sending that out so quickly. I think that is awesome that she was able to do that because I actually ended up getting it today, which is now Wednesday. I'm probably gonna post this tomorrow, but I got it within a week, which is very impressive considering where we're at right now. Anyways, let's quit rambling about it and just dive on into this first. I'm using tweezers and it's clearly a bad decision. I should have a scissor there, but I moved it. But I love the purple, very cute. And sneak peek at the box. Oh, this is adorable. So there's a little troll that comes inside of the box. It's staying on theme with what is coming up inside of here. I'm gonna show you guys these items first because that's where the troll ties in. That is a very cute little detail. I'm gonna plop this back here just to hang out with us as we unbox. So that one is on theme with 3 palettes that come inside of this box. They are all by Pure. They are the Trolls collaboration. There is the Funk Mini palette. This one has a purple theme. Techno, this one is a blue theme. And then for the third and last, we have Classical, which is a gold theme palette. Some super cute looking mini palettes. I personally have not seen the Trolls movie. I don't have any kids, so I haven't watched it. I know a lot of kids are obsessed with it right now. I personally had those very old school looking trolls when I was younger. I had a couple of those dolls. They were honestly pretty creepy looking now that you think back on it. Like, wow. I had those dolls and I was just playing with it casually like, whee! Those are the trolls that I remember from back in my day. The new ones look way cuter. So the Trolls collaboration didn't really draw me in there, but these palettes themselves look actually really cute with their color scheme. So let's do some swatches of all three of these palettes. And by the way, they are each $18. All right, so first up we have the classical palette, or as I'm calling it, the gold palette. There are 3 metallics and 3 mattes. Second up is the funk palette, again 6 shades, 3 metallics, 3 mattes, and this one I'm gonna be very interested to try because purples are so difficult to get the formula right, so I'm gonna need to really put this one to the test. Then third and last is probably my favorite combination here. This is the Techno Palette with all of these blues. They look so pretty and it has that lime green in it too. I think I could do something really fun with this one. And again, it's got the same combination, 6 eyeshadows with 3 matte, 3 metallic / kind of foil. I mean, that one looks so gorgeous. Can you see that again? Ooh, that is my kind of palette right there. So that was our first set of 3 products inside of this box. Let's dip back into it, see what else we got. So we got 2 products by Bite Beauty. First up of the 2 is the Agave Lip Mask, and it retails for $26. So it says that this is a super intensive lip mask. You're supposed to apply it before bed, wake up with completely different lips. They're not even yours anymore. You swap with someone. Oh wow, yeah, that's sticky. This is gonna be one that I will definitely have to try out. My lips have been a little bit chapped. You know, the weather's been a little bit weird. My hands are cracked, my lips are chapped, everything's just going wrong. That's a practical item. I haven't tried it before, so we shall see how that works. Then for the second item by Bite, we got the new Line and Define Lip Primer. Ooh, nice packaging. It has that matte feel to it. And this one retails for $22. Let's see, this one is also supposed to have those superfoods inside of it, and it's supposed to be a translucent lip primer, lip liner, to help keep from the lip liner fading out if you have that issue, or to also help extend the wear of the lipstick, it says. So I mean, it's just clear, just like this, nothing shows. I've only ever tried one other translucent lip liner. That one worked out really well, so I will give this one a shot. I do have high hopes for it. All right, moving on now to our 6th item inside of the box. I got something here by Cora. It is the Naughty Night AHAA Resurfacing Serum. Let's pull that out. Oh, pretty packaging. And this one actually retails for $72. Quite a pricey serum. I had to look it up here on Sephora, but it says that this is a nighttime serum that you're supposed to use that's got the AHAAs in it. And the BHA, I always mess that up. I sometimes say it backwards. They're gonna help to resurface the skin and just make things feel a little bit smoother. I definitely really enjoy the products that do have those 2 ingredients inside of it because I think they work really well. Haven't tried anything by Cora before, but I'm definitely gonna work this into the rotation because I like that. I'm just like, ooh, need to put that on my face right away. All right, then for our 7th item now, we got something here by First Aid Beauty. This is their Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen with Zinc Oxide SPF 30. And it retails for $34. This one is actually a new product, I'm pretty sure. I think it just launched, if I'm not mistaken. So let's take a little peek here. It's got a little bit of a tint to it. Not much, it doesn't really give you any kind of coverage, it's just a slight tint. Because I don't even think it's a shade. I think it's just, it comes like that so that way it's not supposed to be like a white cast foundation, which I think is one of their claims. It says it's a non-whitening mineral SPF non-greasy. Definitely is. It went on really matte afterwards. It doesn't feel sticky or gross. It just feels really good, like it melted into the skin. I mean, this is perfect timing because as we all know, summer is around the corner. Hopefully, if we're ever let outdoors again, we're gonna be outside quite a bit. So need some sunscreen protection underneath your makeup if you're putting it on, or just something in the mornings just to kind of help. I think it's very important that you always have some sunscreen. Definitely work that into your rotation if you don't already. And then lastly in our box here, we got one more product. Oh, it's by Kim Chi. This is the Drama Queen. It is the Unboring Highlight Palette. And this palette retails for $19. And wow, those are actually really large pans for the highlighters in there. And you get some fun looking colors here. Let's do some swatches. I mean, this palette definitely looks like it is anything but boring. It's got some very fun colors in there, mixed in with some wearable ones. And you know what? I think my highlight is looking a little bit muted at the moment. Let me just throw one of these on for fun. Let's go for this one up here. That would be my kind of everyday highlighter. Oh my gosh, that is a lot of highlight. Let me tone that down a little bit. I grabbed too much product. Super pretty shade though. I would definitely see myself gravitating towards that one quite a bit. Oops, it's down there. And that one too. I would use both of those. And it's kind of nice because this one is definitely a lot deeper. So if you do happen to get this one and you are, you know, more medium to deep, I definitely think you guys would be able to wear this one because it's more bronzy gold. I mean, it's always kind of tricky with highlight palettes. Getting one that is going to be fitting for everybody, especially in subscription boxes, that's very difficult. So it's nice that that palette has some variety inside of it so it can work for multiple skin tones. But yeah, that was it for our Trendmood box. We got nothing left. And I was keeping track of all of the prices here, so let me add them up. In total, our value for the box is $227. Honestly, not bad. It's kind of like the Boxy Charm Luxe and the Ipsy Ultimate in a way. Both of those always say that there are 8 to 9 items, over $200 in the value. So pretty comparable, actually. I do know that it is quite an expensive box though, 58 bucks. I mean, is kind of steep in the price point, so definitely look at the box, and if you decide for yourself like, nah, that's too much, don't do it. But if you're looking at it and thinking, oh man, like I've been meaning to try that Cora serum and it's 72 bucks, the box is 58. I mean, technically you save a little bit and you get all that extra stuff for free. So that's just one way I like to look at it if I've been looking at an item really intensely and I'm just like, you know what, I really want it. All the other stuff is basically perks. I'll splurge on it. Let me know what you guys thought of this Trendmood box down below in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys and what you think of them. And also let me know if you want me to keep doing these Trendmood unboxings. I will definitely try to get my hands on the future boxes. I'll try to be a little bit quicker and just be sitting at the checkout just like click, 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 click. I'm gonna get it. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!